We had a very ambitious target to get to a swarm of 20 drones, delivering this multiple types of effect. We weren't sure how we were going to achieve that, whether it was even possible.
The whole project started in July 2016 and it was launched under the Defence and Security Accelerator programme as a competition called Many Drones Make Light Work. So the overall concept uses small unmanned aircraft systems of various sizes and various types of payload to work together collaboratively as a team.
What we've delivered on this trial today is a heterogeneous swarm of 20 UAVs with 7 types of payload, all controlled by a single operator. So that is really pushing the boundaries.
There will be novel and emerging threat systems which need equally novel technologies to counter them. And that really the key thing is having many vehicles networked together.
Each UAV has a unique capability. When you combine that capability within a swarm, you end up with the sum of the parts is greater than the individual capability. I think the 4 years of work on this trial has been a collaboration and a bringing together of minds from across industry. The technology is accessible by all, so we have to stay one step ahead of all of our adversaries and ensure that we are delivering next generation technology today.